Here's a quick tour of the Outdoors RV 24 RLS model. Here's our water heater. This has got the kitchen on the passenger side of the rig. RLS means rear living with a slide. So our freshwater fill is also on the passenger side. Here's our furnace, exhaust, and our lower refrigerator vent. And then we've got outdoor speakers, we've got a power awning, and there's also a LED strip light under the awning. We scoot around to the back. We have a nice big heavy-duty, easy-to-grab ladder with large diameter tubes. Spare tire. And this has Goodyear endurance tires. They are a ST235/80R16 on 5,200 pound axles with 6 lug wheels. This one does not have a trailer hitch on the back for carrying bike racks or whatnot. I don't think I've ever seen an Outdoors RV model without a hitch on the back. Here's our city water inlet, and here's our outdoor shower. Utility light here, and then above that we have all of our other utility connections, and this is our Santa flush for the Blackwater tank, shore power inlet. This is cable TV or satellite, and then this is the other cable or satellite connection. There's our dump valve connection for our tanks. Fully enclosed underbelly on all outdoor RV models. Moving forward, we've got nice big storage compartment access doors. Magnetic catch with a slam style latch. Here's our 2 propane tanks and then our power jack. This is a 3,500 pound capacity Barker jack. Double entry doors. This forward door goes into the bedroom, and the rear door goes into the main living area. One of the things I really like about this particular model is that it comes with recliners in the back instead of a sofa. And there's a little table there that would be situated right between the 2 chairs. Nice big row of cabinets across the top here. There's 6 cabinet doors. It's got ducted AC and flush mount recessed LED lighting throughout. Huge dinette table. This is one of the things I really like about Outdoors RV models also, is the gigantic dinette table. And there's our entertainment center. And around the corner here we've got DC and USB charging ports. So you can plug your cables in and then set your electronics up on top. Cabinets look like they're probably just deep enough to store DVDs in. Well, actually 1 shelf there, and of course you can store stuff on the bottom. AC outlet right here. And lots of drawer space. 3 on the side there, and then we've got 1 down below for pots and pans. That's the cord for our microwave. Down below here, that is our cold air return for the furnace. And then we've got more drawers, and then we have a nice little pantry cabinet. the left side we've got thermostat for the furnace and air conditioning, and then we also have a switch for the lights. This would probably be the hallway switch. Coming back into the bedroom. Charging ports next to each bed, as well as a 120 volt AC outlet. Nice big deep wardrobe closets, and then cabinets up above as well. We've got one AC duct vent in the bedroom. And there's a switch for our bedroom lights. Another closet here. And let's take a look in the bathroom. A little bit of cabinet space in here too, and I do like this. A shower enclosure, glass shower enclosure. We do also have one heat register in the floor in the bathroom, which is nice, and then there is also a vent for the AC in here as well. We've got two lights above the toilet and vanity area, and then another light kind of over the shower. And we've got two hooks over here. AC outlet for hair dryer, shaver, and whatnot is right there below the countertop. Moving back in the bedroom, we've got one floor heat vent right there next to the bed, and then moving back here towards the kitchen, we've got another one. And then we have one back here in the main living area just forward of the recliners. Each dinette bench has a big drawer underneath, and then you can also remove the cushions, and there's panels there that lift out that give you access to the area behind the drawer, because these drawers aren't the full length of the dinette bench. They're probably about 2/3 or so. This is an earlier model because it has a double basin sink. Outdoors RV recently switched to a large single basin farm style sink. Another cabinet up there next to the microwave, and this, like I mentioned before, has ducted AC. And we've got a speaker in the ceiling, and we've got another speaker right there. But some of the features of the Outdoors RV models is they actually include a insulated vent pad for some of the vents. And the outdoor shower is recessed into the wall and hidden behind an insulated door. Outdoors RV manufactures their own frames. They share a frame facility with Northwood Manufacturing, which all three of those facilities are down in La Grande, Oregon. Shock absorbers on both axles. We have the MORryde suspension system with wet bolts. And all of the windows are thermal pane windows. Recliners, kind of, you can move those around anywhere you want. And one thing I also noticed is right down there we've got an AC electrical outlet, 120 volt, and then over here on the other side we have another one. So this would be a perfect RV for somebody that's doing the YouTube thing and running around the country doing videos and whatnot, because what a person could do is plug your laptop in down there and sit at the recliner, or pull out one of the recliners and put a small desk in there in that corner, either corner actually. Another thing that's nice too is down here in the dinette bench there's also a 120 volt AC electrical outlet, so that's another place a person could plug in their laptop. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the 24 RLS, and see you on my next video.